forever. Thought I'd try something new this time. I am the Kricket and welcome to my Temu review. So what are we gonna be reviewing today? Got this whole ensemble from Temu. Is this worth it? You damn right. The necklace, probably 10 bucks. The bracelets, probably like 7 to 10 bucks. Look, man, I don't know the value. I don't know how much it was off the top of my head. That'll be somewhere on this screen where I'll put the prices of all this stuff. But if you stay to the end, you're gonna get a couple detailed shots of the necklace, the bracelets, and the shirt. So as you can see, this shining, baby. So throw this on, walk outside, and prepare to be amazed at how many people notice, how many people want to know where you got it from. Well, you can tell them you watch Kricket's channel, and guess what? You got it from Temu, the greatest website of all time. Now, before you guys get all up in arms talking about, you must be paid, absolutely not, okay? Temu's not paying the bills. There's no sponsors of this video. Matter of fact, there is a sponsor. Let's go ahead and cut to today's sponsor. As you can see, nobody ain't watching this. So, chances are you found me off Temu's website, or you were just randomly typing on the internet on YouTube and you found some guy who looks like he just came straight out of Wakanda. Well, guess what? I'm glad to have you here. Oh, but Kricket, your bracelets ain't real, man. That's all that fake shit up. Just shit up. If we ain't shining, we ain't buying. The faker the better, baby. You heard it from here first. So let's go ahead and start a little trend, okay? If this is where everybody's on in the bandwagon, I'm gonna have to go ahead and put my bandwagon. And it's almost exactly the opposite of what everybody's doing. So with that being said, the faker the better. We don't rock real stuff, okay? We don't rock that no more, all right? We ain't trying to get robbed and our chain snatched.
Why you tripping, Debo? Sure, fuck, I knock your ass out.
Oh man, that's messed up. Won't you give him back his chain?
What chain?
For 50 grand, 10 grand. I don't think I could live with myself if I was rocking a $10,000 chain. I'd be like this. Just like, oh man, hey, that's close enough. Shaking people's hand and going like this, you know, stuff like that. Story time with the Kricket. So in order to get this, I had to go deep into the jungles of Africa. Okay, I had to go to the King Solomon's mind, where the myth of the killer ape is alive and well. I went down into a cave. As I was going down into the cave, it was hot, it was dank, it smelled like sulfur. I didn't know what was going on, okay? We looked for Charlie, we couldn't find him. Where is he? We don't know. We got Amy the gorilla.
Where? Ground.
We got Homolka. He only wishes to explore.
Stop eating my sesame cake.
Stop eating my sesame cake!
What are you doing in my country, you bag of shit?
Captain, please. I only wish to explore and discover.
You guys might be thinking, what the hell is he talking about? What's wrong with you? You never seen Congo? One of the greatest movies of all time. I went down there and then I seen on a big altar, I seen this amazing bracelet. But why stop at one when you can get two, okay? And then I looked up and I seen the statue, and right on its neck, a nice little necklace. That's a true story, by the way. I made it out barely alive. Meanwhile, Amy's in the back going, shitty jewelry, shitty jewelry. We had Peter doing his nerd thing. What are we doing? We had the chick in the movie. She's over here like, help me with find the diamonds. What the fuck am I saying? Look, man, just buy it. I got the bracelet, I got the other one, and I'm rocking this necklace. It shines, step out into the sun, go ahead and just blind everybody with how shiny it is. People's gonna be telling you, look, man, you about to get robbed. And that's the point. The only thing I will say is that I thought this would be longer, okay? I'm not trying to get like the collar and it ain't my thing. I thought this would be longer. I don't remember, I think this is the 22 inch. So if you can see it on me, get the longer one. I mean, that's my preference, but I didn't know that at the time. I just thought it was, it was kind of like a trial and error, but hell, for $7, $12, you could try it all you want. Because we're not playing, baby. It's not adjustable. Sometimes the clasps can be hard to click on or snap on. This one has a clasp. I don't know if you can see that. And this one is a little bit more fancy. You shove it in there and snap it together. I prefer this one. It looks nice. Got the little square there going on. And then this one just kind of, it's just a little clasp right there. So about the shirt, it's like a press-on design. It's supposed to be hand washed, but I had to take the risk. I did it for you. You're welcome. I threw it in a washing machine, and guess what? It didn't fade. So the only thing I will say is do not wash this with a white towel or anything that's like super cottony, because you'll get all the specks all over you, baby, and you ain't trying to pick that out and lint roll it and fabric shaving and all that stuff. Another thing too, I made the mistake, unbeknownst to me, of going outside when it was like 2 million degrees and I was sweating underneath this. And let me tell you something, story time with the Kricket, it gave off like a weird odor. Like really, it smelled like baby puke. All right, for everybody that got the little rugrats running around, you know exactly what that smells like. So I'm coming in there and I'm trying to style and profile on all my buddies and stuff. I'm like, hey, check it out.
You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. Woo!
You got to style and profile. Woo! King Kricket has arrived, and as I'm walking past them, they're giving me the PUs, the what the hell's that smell? I had to run into the bathroom, take a little break, and I had to sniff. And I realized there was no way to escape. Okay, your boy was smelling like vomit and throw up. I did the most logical thing. I blamed somebody else. Damn, man, it smells like puke in here for some reason. True story, by the way. Yeah, so I don't know if it's just it smelled like it was coming from this, but really, who knows? So don't be sweating in this unless you want to smell like King of the Pukes or Captain Vomit, okay? Just try not to sweat in it, trying to be in a cool environment. Try to keep your distance. Now, if you walked into that grenade and there's nothing you can do, and you're sitting there puking it up, and everybody's looking around and they want to say something, but they're trying to be too nice to you, well, you're gonna have to go and take drastic measures. You have to do what I would do, and that is escape, baby.
If you're hearing this, then every step leading up to it has gone as planned.
You know by now I'm no loyal son of the Empire. In fact, my loyalty to Mr. M comes in no small part from his possession of something I hold very dear to my heart.
Make a quick excuse. I left the car running. Oh no, I left the stove on at the house. Whatever you gotta do to get out of there, because you ain't getting in and out. Now it comes in black and white and I think blue or something like that. So it comes in black. I know it comes in white, so obviously I got the black one. I'm thinking about getting the white one, but we'll see. It's got a pretty dope hood. Let me demo that for you. So as you can see, it comes with a nice hood. It's like a shirt type of fabric. And it says on the tag, you gotta hand wash it. So I threw it in the washing machine, it didn't fade. I was worried that it would mess up the design or whatever this is on here, but it didn't so far. I threw it on cold. I don't know what you're supposed to do, and honestly, I didn't give a damn. I gotta take the risk, baby. I have to find the edge. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. Hope you got a lot of value out of this. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Can't recommend it enough. You already know what I'm gonna say, and say it with me. Temu for the win. Now, I haven't worked out the affiliate links just yet, but I do know this. As soon as I do, I'm gonna need you guys to click on that, okay? We're trying to support your boy, all right? Support me, because I'm trying to get out there. I'm trying to, you know, do the YouTube thing, and I'm trying to pay the bills. This lights ain't free, okay? This electricity is high as hell. I know you guys see it with the inflation, okay? But what isn't going up is them Temu prices. You already know the deal. You already know what I'm gonna ask, so just do it. But if you don't, I get it. I have 50 trillion videos. It's greatly done. It's lit all nicely. It's entertaining, but at the end of the day, I'm just too lazy to take my little baby hand and drag that mouse all the way to the thumbs up button and click that, right? And then hit the subscribe, okay? And it's just 50,000 million miles to go from that subscribe button to the bell. Because there's nothing I love better than looking into the comments and getting ready to scroll and oops, there's nothing to scroll because nobody commented. So go ahead and click like, subscribe, and the bell icon. And for all you wrestling fans out there, you know exactly what I just did. Yeah.
Yeah! Because whose game is it? With everybody saying, yeah!
I'm an idiot. I don't think I did this enough in the video, so we're just gonna special shout out to this last commenter in my last video. I know it's been a minute, but he could be one of the greatest to ever do it. I would read the comment, but I don't remember it at the time of this recording. Normally I like to record it and memorize it. I'm a little bit too lazy. I just throwing this review together, trying to get you in and out and get you what you guys need. Is it worth it? Yes. Should you buy it? Absolutely. Was it worth the cost? You tell me. I appreciate you, okay? If I could reach through the camera and give you a nice big fat hug, I would. But it's all good, it's all love, appreciate you. So again, I am the Kricket. This is my Temu review, and thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, see ya. You know what? I was sitting there in my chair as I was editing this, and I realized something. I was like, you know what? The last two reviews I think were a little boring. I wasn't really like showing my personality. You know how it is. You're trying to do it the right way. You're trying to be, you know, be cool, and you're trying to, you know, cater. And I'm like, man, all that. So you know what? I'm gonna do you guys a favor, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a new outro for you guys. I'm going to play us out. Now, if you didn't know this, I am an expert pianist. I'm stupid good with the chords, okay? And if you're lucky, you might just get a little taste of my incredible voice. But with that being said, I want to play a song for my new subscribers. Those who are not lazy to take their little baby arms and click that damn like button and go up there to the subscribe and click that, and then go over there to the notification bell. So you know what? This song is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic of these stupid good chords. Okay. Here we go.